Hi, my name's Adam. I'm a third-year carpentry apprentice with Master Builders. I've always enjoyed building. It's kind of a passion or a hobby of mine. Doing that for work is kind of like a no-brainer, you could say. I enjoy not being in an office all day. And I also just like being on site. It's a very fun, friendly, bantery place.
Adam is very motivated and he works hard. He's always asking a lot of questions if he doesn't understand how to do something. He also uses his initiative if there is a more efficient way of approaching tasks. We make a really good team, and it's great seeing his development to become a better carpenter.
I chose to do my apprenticeship with Master Builders because they're well connected in the industry and they can find a suitable employer for me. They always keep in contact with me to keep track of how I'm going. It's not just about filling a role, it's about looking after me. Looking forward to where this career is taking me and what kind of projects I'll be working on in the future. Yeah, the opportunities are endless.